beautiful now. But the problem is, as Thomas Schaffernacker is about to tell us, I think it's going to get a lot worse.
It is. You're absolutely right, Sophie. Another dose of winter weather on the way in the next 24 hours or so, even less. Before that, we've got a cold afternoon. The weather's not bad out there. It's fairly quiet. Some sunshine around as well, but it's going to get cold very quickly as we go through the course of the afternoon as temperatures dip to sub-zero across parts of the Highlands. In fact, in Glasgow, only around about 1 degree or so at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. 4 degrees in the London area, and then beyond that it's all eyes on tonight and tomorrow morning. An early warning from the Met Office for blizzards. This means that the weather will have a significant impact on us tomorrow morning. So it starts off cold tonight, then rain sweeps in from the Atlantic, falls of snow across Northern Ireland, then the snow ploughs in into Scotland, the southern uplands, across the Pennines, down into the North Midlands, and even an icy mix of weather across some parts of southern Britain. So let's take a look at this in a little bit more detail. This is the start of the rush hour. Well, it's snowing pretty much everywhere across Scotland, and by the time this weather front is through, we would have seen something like 20 centimetres across the upper level routes, a little bit less than that in the central lowlands, but enough snow, believe me. The same situation across the Pennines. Remember, gale force winds, we're talking about blizzards, icy conditions across parts of the North Midlands, and down in the south as well, we could see rain falling on sub-zero surfaces. That means ice underneath all of this, so icy stretches. Now, by this stage, the weather front would have gone through the southwest, but there could well be a legacy of icy conditions on some of the roads here, and the same goes for southern parts of Wales, and indeed in Northern Ireland first thing in the morning, there could be some snow still lying on the ground. Now, how much snow are we going to get? Well, quite a lot. In fact, as I said earlier, across Scotland and the southern uplands, 20 centimetres, 15 centimetres, that's half a foot of snow. That's a lot of snow across parts of northern England, and even in your back garden further southwards across the North Midlands, you could see a good covering of snow. Now, we've not seen this for quite a while. This is a widespread event. Now, because of the drifting of the snow, some of the routes could also be impassable first thing tomorrow morning. The M62, that's a very busy route. Also the M74, that's Glasgow to Carlisle. That could see some tricky driving conditions too. Now, how long is it going to last? Well, it actually blows through quite quickly. The weather front's out of the way by the time we get to around about lunchtime. Still snow across the north and the east of Scotland. For the rest of us, it's a mixture of sunshine and some blustery showers. But even at this stage, there'll certainly be some snow lying around, and that snow will last into Friday as well. But for most of us, Friday's looking just that little bit less cold with some showers and some gusty winds around as well. But for the time being, once again, brace yourself for some winter weather tomorrow morning's rush hour in particular. Back to you.